A new indictment against the man accused of murdering North Carolina teenager Felicia Barnes. The city state's attorney made that announcement today, but will the case hold up this time? 11 News reporter Kai Reed is live downtown at the Mitchell Courthouse with more. Kai.
Well, Donna, the city state's attorney argues that she can put Michael Johnson on trial again because she says the judge didn't have the jurisdiction to throw his charges out in the first place.
Feels great to be out.
Michael Johnson walked away from police custody last month, admitting that he had no idea what was next for him. Now, he could be facing another trial. The city state's attorney announced a grand jury has indicted him again for the murder of 16-year-old Felicia Barnes.
My job is to uphold the law and rectify procedural missteps. In this particular case, the judge in the most recent trial did not have the jurisdiction to rule on a motion for judgment of acquittal after he had been previously granted a motion for mistrial and dismissed the jury.
Prosecutors have cited a Maryland case from 1975 as precedent, State versus Serbaugh, to argue that the judge in Johnson's most recent trial couldn't rule a mistrial and then, weeks later, grant a motion for acquittal and drop all charges. In that vehicular manslaughter case in Prince George's County, it was ruled that the judge lost all authority to take any action in the case once he had declared a mistrial and dismissed the jury. Baltimore law professor Byron Warnken admits that he's not familiar with that 1975 case, but says he has doubts about prosecutors' argument in Johnson's case.
That's a 40-year-old case. Criminal procedure has changed so dramatically. There are many cases where a judge declares a mistrial and turns around 5 minutes later and re-impanels a new jury. So I'd have to take a look at that case. I don't know how the judge lost jurisdiction by granting a mistrial. Judges grant mistrials all the time. And usually that same judge then impanels a new jury and starts over.
So what's next? According to Warnken, a long appeals process.
The defense argument is double jeopardy. The Court of Special Appeals would take that case. I think the Court of Special Appeals, my gut feel is, would rule in favor of the defendant.
And what happens if it goes to trial and there's another mistrial?
How many times can the same person be tried?
If there is not a double jeopardy violation, if there was a dismissal based if there's a mistrial based upon some error. In theory, you could do it 1,000,000 times.
Well, Michael Johnson has not been arrested. He was issued a summons to appear in court at a later date. It's not clear yet when that will happen. We're live at Mitchell Courthouse. Kai Reed, WBAL TV 11 News.
All right, Kai, thank you.